Zebec network, we believe, is getting ready for its next big move. Can be a mega move. Again, in this video, we're gonna show you exactly what we're looking for ZBCN, when we think it will start exploding, and what we seen on the chart. Make sure to smash the like, guys. If you hold ZBCN, love ZBCN, smash the like, subscribe to this channel, follow me on X. Let's dive into the video. By the way, if you trade crypto from the US, Canada, Australia, wherever, and you trade on Kraken, Coinbase, whatever, high expensive exchanges, get yourself Bitunix, the best exchange by far to trade crypto. Man, will change your life. I've been using this exchange. This is the best exchange I traded in my life. I've been trading crypto for the last 8 years. They give you free USDT bonuses so you can trade with more USDT on the ZBCN trades you're gonna take. Unbelievable. Check it out. And you don't need VPN and no KYC. All right, let's look on ZBCN. Now look, this is the chart, okay? We told you before, we're looking for a consolidation here. And that's exactly what happened. Exactly what happened. We had a huge bounce. No, not huge, yeah, but we had a very beautiful bounce here from this area of support. Okay, area of support, just like here, area of support and trend line support. Now, why I like this this bounce here, you have confluence of moving averages as well. You can see this is the 200-day MA, the green line. Okay, sorry, let's look on the daily. This is the 50-day MA, the red line right here. We're in the daily chart, and we also have the 100-day, the purple line. Both of them, ZBCN actually gave them a big kiss, and then it bounced. Okay, bounced from it. That was amazing buying opportunity, for hodlers, investors, and also traders. We bought some. We bought some on the bounce, obviously not on the low, but after it bounced a little bit on this day of the bounce, a couple of days ago. And yeah, looking good, looking very nice. ZBCN looking very nice. Now let's look on some, what I think is going to happen. Now look, if you watch this thing, okay, this kind of consolidation with a pullback here, that looks very similar to what we had here. All right, you see, you had a top pullback, another top, and a deeper pullback. Top pullback, another top, deeper pullback. Now we're looking for this thing to form, okay? This consolidation, bullish consolidation. Again, it's not going to happen identical. It's not going to be exactly the same. We're just following some footprints in the sand. That's how we trade. That's how we trade. That's how we operate in crypto. That's why we have the best trading service, and we always nail the market leader, because we follow price action. That's only thing we care. We don't care about partnerships, tech, schmeck, the CEO banging Britney Spears. We don't care about this stuff. It's irrelevant. All we care is finding legendary price action and execute the trade and play aggressive on these coins. Then you can make an insane ROI. We can make insane ROI in a crypto bull run. Okay. Now ZBCN is one coin we love, and we've been trading it since here. Okay, since here we're trading it. Okay, so look, this is what we're looking for now. Okay, so if you look here, that was like 20 days. What was it like? Let's see how many days here. That was like 7 days. 7 days. Sideways from here, okay, from the low. All right, so we are looking for something like that to form, maybe 7 days, maybe 1 week, maybe 2 weeks, to form here, to consolidate, to tighten up here, something like this maybe, or maybe something like this that will take a bit longer under this trend line. No one knows, exactly what it will do, but it might follow the same behavior that it was doing back before the explosion here. That trade that, we nailed it, okay? We nailed it. Again, I'm going to show you another things I'm watching now, what I think is about to happen, and when ZBCN will trigger the next breakout. just to show you that trade we took back in the days. Just show you the screenshot, man, because people think we are playing games with crypto. That's the the 19th of May trade, ZBCN. You can see the price was 21. We bought some at the price was 19. Sorry, we bought some on the market at 19, and then we triple sized as the breakout on 217. Okay, very simple trade to execute. You know, all our members took the trade. We completely recommended ZBCN, mainly ZBCN. That was the only trade back in the days. You know, back in 19th of May, it was the only bullish trade. And you know, look what happened, man. It was too easy, man. It was just too easy. You know, 197. That was our first entry, and then we had a lot of 217. Okay, you know, we had two beautiful entries, man. Members printed easy 270%, and that was another 200%, man, from the entries. Unbelievable. Obviously, we closed it once it rolled over, made a double top, okay, and we closed the trade with amazing profit. All right. Since then, you know, we've been trading it here and there, but it's now consolidating. Okay. Now remember, cryptos, okay, they have moments, okay, they have in moments of consolidation of price, which are long. Usually, you're not making higher highs. It's kind of boring. Consolidation, long. And you have breakout moments, okay? The breakout moments are usually very short, okay? But they give you the biggest exponential growth for your account. But again, you gotta take your profits, because if you did not take your profit, it almost did a full retrace, okay? You can see it almost did a full retrace all the way down if you didn't take a profit. That's what we do, all right? We buy breakout, we sell into the pump, and we close it once it top out. That's what we do. Easy strategy to follow. Make sure to join VIP, link below, okay? Now, you know, we traded it here and here and here, but it was more choppy, not as explosive as we had here. That's why obviously we didn't play so aggressive as well, just like he did here. You need to know what you're doing, you know. You know, crypto is not a game, it's not a casino. You need to know when to be aggressive, when to be defensive, when to trade it, when to completely avoid it, okay? That's how you need to go. You know, if you're 100% holding the coin, you know, all the ups and downs, the boom and bust, you know, you're gonna get cooked. You're gonna get cooked. Okay. Now, and it's too emotional. It's too emotional. Why did all the drama, man? Too much drama, and it's not profitable as well. Now, this is what we're looking for. We're looking for the breakout of this trend line. Again, we're looking for this breakout of this trend line. Hopefully in September. Again, if it failed to break, okay, calm down. Take that trend line. That's not good, okay? You gotta have also your invalidation point, not only the bullish point, okay? You also gotta keep in mind there is a chance of more downside. There is always a chance of more downside. Again, we're not thinking it's gonna happen. We think it's going to pump hard, but you know, you never know. If it will take its time till September, and then September you're gonna get some bearishness from Bitcoin, will start pooping the party, you know. You can see a bigger pullback. So what will be amazing is if ZBCN can break out now, like now, this week or next week, break that trend line and start advancing. Because once you trigger the breakout, that's it. You know, the whales are on board. All the people that are moving this market are on board. You know, they're gonna get FOMO'd in. People will FOMO in. You know, people will ape in because it's breakout. You know, traders leverage, and it's gonna rip. It doesn't matter what Bitcoin will do. So what will be ideal is a breakout now in the next couple of days. Okay, now. If it will not, if it will take its time, it might be a longer consolidation. You know, it might do something like this and then break. Who knows? Okay, that will be that will be. Man, I'm selling my house and I put it on the breakout. You know. But anyway, that's what we're watching, man. Let's look on momentum. By the way, smash the like, guys. Subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to the channel. Smash the like. Do us a favor. Smash the like. Subscribe. Share it on your X. Follow me on X. Do me a favor. and do yourself a favor as well, because we share amazing stuff on X. Look, this is the weekly chart. Okay, subscribe. We're going to keep you posted on the momentum signal. You can see the momentum for ZBCN on the weekly since the top here. It's pretty meh. Okay, it's meh. It's not bullish. Okay, on the weekly. Okay, you want to see this wave up of momentum on the weekly stochastic. When you get it, you get the bigger move, the explosive move. Yes, you got a move here, but it's nothing like that move. Okay, nothing. That was a 10x. Okay, so anyway, let's look on the 3-day. 3-day more bullish, but still we need the stochastic on the weekly to cross up. That's the most important to really start the bull. But the bull, and it's probably going to happen once you clear that high. Okay, you need to see ZBCN clear that high, close above the high, and then boom, it's going to rip. This probably not going to break very easily. Once it hold here, it's probably going to rip, man. Okay, it's probably going to rip. Guys, thank you very much for watching. Smash the like, subscribe to the channel. Really, if you trade crypto, you better join the VIP, man. This is now an altcoin season. Coins are ripping to new highs. We have breakout to new swing highs, just like ZBCN did in May. Okay, it was breaking to new highs. That's why it exploded, because it had no resistance. Now it has some resistance, so we need more time to digest and consolidate. But while you hold in your ZBCN bag, why not take some of your capital, some of the capital, and start trading breakouts with us? Man, join our VIP. You have 25% off on the checkout on WAP. Put the summer sale 25. We work on the weekends. Now it's an alt season weekend. We work all the week, obviously, but when it's alt season weekend, you get trade also on the weekend, man. That's the easiest market in an alt season on the weekend. It's the easiest market because you don't have the manipulations, that we have with the stock market and all the rubbish during the week, the grayscale and the BlackRocks. So really, if you like trading crypto, the best service in the world. You get trade alerts coming daily, market updates coming daily, chat support, anything you need. We have courses on how to trade crypto professionally, TA course, and also momentum trader course. Man, check it out. Join our service. By the way, if you trade with more than 50K, really, and you're like, you don't know what you're doing, you're overwhelmed, you have some emotions, you're holding rubbish, you're holding maybe Bitcoin now for some reason. Why the hell you're holding Bitcoin? Or you're holding some crap that is going down. And stop it now. Join Elite VIP. Join Elite VIP. Use the discount. Okay, scan the QR code. Okay, book a call with me. Once you join, book a call with me. I'm going to send you a text on WhatsApp. We'll book a call. Okay, we talk about everything. Portfolio management, everything you need to know. We're going to coach you. We're going to train you to think like a crypto trader, like a crypto in professional investor that knows what's going to happen, that is ready to managing risk, anything, man. We're going to show you how to trade. It's super simple. And yeah, change your life, man. Check it out. See you in the next video. Cheers.